Hey guys, Nate Johnson. Today I'm going to Sleepy Dogs again. I already did part of the mission. Now I want to record some with you, so here we go. Keep taking my kick. Come on, keep taking my kick. I got this. Let's go. Oh, got him. Hey!
Kill you, fuck dog guys. Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you regret it. Okay. But please, make sure dog guys doesn't kill me.
Dang it, not again. Get arrested again.
Wei-Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests.
Let's skip this. So I can save time. Time is time. No, save time, save the crime. No, yep, that's a good. That's a good one. Okay, so I got me a house now. That's a good thing. Oh, this is a dream. Spoiler.
You need to be more careful, Ray. Much more careful.
Going to the police wasn't a dream. Come on, dude. Put your butt up. Alright, let's go change my clothes. See what I got. Dark blue. Yeah, I got 5% plus damage. That's 15% extra. It's a good thing. Now, open your map. Either we can do a mission, or we can do a side quest. Let's go do a mission. Yeah, let's go do a mission. Oh, I have a bike. Oh yeah, I forgot.
You're about to listen to Flight from the Cinematic Orchestra here on Ninja Tune Radio, followed by Bonobos, The Fever, off the award-winning Days to Come album. That's followed by the beats mix of Sound Mirrors from Cold Cuts.
Wheelie for days! Wheelies for days! Ow. Flashing for days. Alright, let's go back. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, I forgot, you can steal cars. See? Wheelies for days. See that? Wheelies for days. Catch up to my levels. What the heck happened? Bike? Bike? He stole my bike! Intruder alert! He can steal my bike. Exactly is my bike! He stole my bike! Intruder alert! He stole my bike! People these days stealing people's bikes. Already? Jump! Nailed it. Nailed it. Like a snail it. Snail it like a nail it.
Okay, man, you look like something.
Oh man, I hate this mission. I was here all day. I never went in the first place. Yeah, all day.
Where'd you get
Oh.
the van?
No, this is the wrong one. No, this is the right one.
Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend. Oh yeah? What do you think that you made? You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to
Move.
you?
Thank you.
No. If I let that stop me, I'd never
There
have.
you go.
What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
Move.
A relationship?
Move like a shoe.
It wouldn't really work with my
Oh
life.
god, property damage. Oh yeah, give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that money. Yeah, yeah. I don't care. I don't care about score. Who gives a crap?
What's all the crap in the back?
Yeah, give me that money. Give me that money. Give me all the money. Who cares? Who cares about life?
My last score, baby.
Yeah, money, 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 money. I'll take the money.
What are you doing?
I'll take all the money if I always want it. So, listen here. I'll crash trucks if I want it. I want to kill people, I'll kill people. If I want money, I want money. Oh, I'm so busy getting money, I passed it. Move out of the way. Give me all the money. Up $2,081. Out of the way. Yeah, crashing people like a boss. You'll never feel me, I'm just a cool truck guy. Ain't that right? Yeah, yeah, I'm Chinese, I drive on the right side. Get up to my level. Oh, yeah, this isn't that Chinese, maybe Japan. Hey, yes, no, yes. Yes, like a boss. Ready for the bossness? You go, get out the dang car! Like a boss! Like a boss. Okay, what are we gonna do here? Fight some people? Be like, so you can take it. Yeah. You don't mess with the way, Sean. Yeah, that's how you do it, alright? That's how you do it. You go, come on, let's go. Hey, you wanna uppercut me? I'll be like, take that. Hey. Take that. What is that? Ooh. No, that's the way, Sean. Keep on looking at me, dude. Yeah, God. Don't mess with the way, Sean. Ooh. Slow motion cam. Yeah, I'm too good.
There's more of them!
Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. I think you are trying to hit me with a crowbar. Ooh, got him. Give me the crowbar.
How you like that, huh? How you like that? Wait, you were hardcore. You guys like it was nothing.
Got chicken knife. Beating up people like a boss. Beating up on people like a boss.
Shit, you think it all good?
Oh, no you do not.
Go, 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 man!
Who you think you are? Boy, you think you crazy, man? You so lucky I'm a white man. You're a black man. I just ran you. Oh, God. I ain't terrible at driving. Go, go, go! Go, go, Gadget, fast! Go, go, Gadget, fast! Come on, let's go, 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 Gadget, takedown! Get out of here, car! Go, go, Gadget, catch up to the van! Go, go, Gadget, go! Come on, let's get going. Hey, a car! Go, go, Gadget, die! Yeah, take it. Man, don't mess with the van. Don't mess with the way shine. Come here, you stupid car, you're so lucky you're fast.
Whoa! I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
Blow up, car. Yeah, give me all this stuff. Give it here.
Get away!
Wei Shan is the boss, man. Get out of the way. I'm Wei Shan. I'm the best driver in history. They call me #1 because I'm the best driver.
Put him off the road! Yeah, hit him, man! We did it, man! We did it!
We did it, man. We did it. We did it, man. We did it. I like how you get to ram people. That's so cool.
Wait! We got him!
Got 'em. We got them. We got them.
Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's raining Cambria! That was our big boost! Sitting in the
Who cares about life? Live. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. That's your life.
Holy shit, Tyler, look, the cops drive! Wait, drive!
Actually, I care about life.
Where did it come from?
Come here, cops. Go ahead. Come on. Stupid cops.
Then why can't they just leave us alone? Lose them? I think that's it. Yeah.
Run that way.
Clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals.
Video game. Very long. I might do another mission. Yeah, this might be more than 20 minutes. So.
What do you think will happen with Dogeye?
Oh, go the wrong way.
I don't know. He's an asshole.
This stupid van. I hate it.
He has
So
friends tied with
slow.
him.
Can I get out of here? Get back in the van.
Man, wait, you just got back. Get to know who's who.
I
Start
need
talking
to.
about bosses that way.
Van sucks. I hate vans. They're so slow as a turtle.
No matter who's
They're the slowest car in history.
Won't cause the bad blood. No.
I'm gonna turn it to beat it away. Like, ready, set, go.
He always
The turtle wins.
even when we were kids.
Yeah, well, get out of my way. No, Lizzie, out. Close the door. Sorry for that again. God. Can't get no privacy. Don't worry, I'm gonna upload another video. It's gonna be Minecraft. Alright. I'm not gonna upload Call of Duty today. I'll upload it tomorrow, for sure. I'll upload it tomorrow. So, nah, I'll upload it today. I was so sorry for that. I was playing the game Blackout. Instead, I lost so quickly. I was like, God, I was so pissed.
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
Sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man. Got it under control. Good, Noah.
Got it on show. Trust me.
Hey, wait.
I am Wei Shun. Don't blame Mon.
Here. Take this watch. You earned it.
Great. Finally hit the big time.
Alright. I think I'll end it here if this mission's over. Oh, actually, instead of doing end it here? Yeah, okay. So I finished it. How about go to upgrades? Or I go there or there? I'll take that. So I'm Wei Shun. I don't take damage. Because I'm Wei Shun. Shun. I'm not gonna do this. Let's see. Did I lock one of those things? What are they called? Storage things? Oh my god! I threw that thing far away.
Hey!
Which was this one?
What's up?
Oh, Team Never Prosper.
Me, right?
Okay.
Earlier, and I would have won. But this guy, Tommy Hanzan, he cheated. Ran me off the road.
Oh no, he cheated.
You teach him a lesson, keep him from doing it again.
Yeah, sure.
He's not far. Wreck his car. That'll teach him.
Alright, you gotta hurry up. We got a minute and 55 seconds to do this. Man, let's do this. I'm gonna use my knife. Oh, past it. Get out of here. Oh, you were fine? Come here, Tyler. Oh, I forgot to bet. I'll teach you a lesson to best with the Wei Shun. Man, that car looks beautiful. So beautiful. Oh. So beautiful. Such a nice car. Alright guys, I'm gonna end up here. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah, too cool. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe. So I'll see you later for Minecraft and Call of Duty. Bye! Da 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 da. Da 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 da.